So we'll put the other little trim on over there. Let's get that. Oh, this one needed a new clip too.
Did it?
Yep. So we got to state that one. That one is completely gone.
That's useless.
That's completely useless. That's not doing anything. There we go. Gonna see that is knackered.
That's not gonna do anything.
No, can't get it out.
Be careful. That better come out, 'cause I don't want that. And the new ones.
It's not really the right tool for the job, but oh, get me pliers.
This is the first time I've seen Dad struggle.
Hey?
I just said this is the first time I've seen Dad struggle.
Oh, that is so far in there. Oh, what a mess. Someone's really bashed the life out of that. Okay. Oh, you got a new one? Yep. Yeah. Yep. That's it.
Push. Can you help me?
Okay. All right, that's got to go over there. Let's have a look.
I'd assume it goes like that.
Yep. I'll get that caught first. That's pretty much it. Give it a whack. Give it a real whack. There you go. You'll feel it clip down.
I can't really mix it.
All right.
Try that
Yep.
right
That's tight as. All right. We just got to put the little screw in there.
now. Do we have the little screw?
Nah, lost it.
Oh, great.
No, I've got it. Got that and the cap. I would have liked to have cleaned all this before I put it back together, but
Yeah, I need it back.
won't be the last time I pull this apart, I'm sure.
Okay.
So it is that one and that one.
That one and that one, eh?
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
So if you just start that with your fingers.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. Grab the screwdriver bit on that little driver. Yep.
Wait, wrong way.
Uh-huh. All that work. All right. All right, down you go. Perfect. That's it. That's all it needs. Then it just needs that cap. It just pushes in once you. That's it. Job done.
To line it up like that.
Yeah, that's it. Perfect. All right, so now we need that. That's got to go in there. So same thing that you just did then. Just give it a start. You got it in?
Yeah,
It started?
I'm starting it.
Yep, that'll do then. If you've got a start and it's nice, yeah, that's all you need. Nope, that one's not going to be any good to you. We'll come back because what we'll do is no, we'll use that 1/2 inch rattle gun.
This one.
Yep.
Okay. So we want to take off
Yeah, but we're not going to do that yet till.
it later.
No, we'll chuck the other one into at the same time.
Oh, okay.
So may as well chuck that one in. Do the same thing.
Is that in?
No, it's not turning.
Wait. 8 minutes. There we go. Started it off.
Yep, perfect. Okay. So yes, now you want that.
Let's make sure it's going the right way. Stop laughing at me. You hurt my feet.
Oh, well done. You've used these batteries before.
It's going wrong way. Wait. Yeah.
All right, chuck it on there.
Is that right?
Just back it off a bit. It shouldn't be that tight. So flick this the other way. Now back it off. Keep going, all the way. Yep. All right, let it go. Oh, it's just tight. Yep.
Oh, so
All right, flick it the other way. Yeah, I just want to check that it wasn't cross-threaded. That's all. Yep. Go. Go. Oh, you got to give it pressure. That's not done up. That's it. Keep going. 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 That's it. That's still got play in it. Let's just. Perfect. All right. Now you got to do the same round there.
Well, I kept getting scared because I didn't want to break it.
Yeah, I know you did. That's okay. You're perfect.
Okay. Now for this one.
Yep.
Wait. Oh, it's not good.
Perfect. That's it. Job done. All right. That seat belt's done.
I'm going to pro up this now.
So we can put the covers, there's little plastic covers that have got to go on these, although that one's missing. But I'm not worried about that because the seat will cover it. We'll put the cover back on that one over there. And then we can get the cover on here. What about those? Let's get those covers on. There you go. You want to put these on for me?
Okay. What's in there?
That's just the controller for the winch.
The other winch?
Yeah. Nope.
Nope, nope. Okay, sorry. I'm trying to get those in. No.
Perfect.
There we go.
Job done. Look at that.
So good at this, bro.
All right. I reckon we can put a little leather cover on that.
Stuff like that.
Yep, that's the one. Actually,
I'm gonna be a minute. I'm gonna need to go to the toilet.
oh no.